Okay, a few things that I like about this website. And I was thinking that maybe you can't log in or whatever. I didn't want you to have to set up an account or whatever. At any rate, you can see I've uploaded the part here, and so I can see it in 2D or 3D. I mean, that part is probably not that important for us. However, when we get into the next steps of it, shoot, I'll get another one here. I thought I had it ready to go. Okay, so we can select the material thickness, and as we select it, we can instantly see the pricing over here. Now, we're not going to be concerned about the quantity pricing. What we are going to like to see is that our kit, which consists of a hub that collects data from a whole bunch of sensors, plus those sensors, plus the brackets and all the other things you need. We would like to see a running total of the entire kit. So as they make selections, maybe that's what we're building out over here is a little image of the kit. So we've got the hub in the middle, and then we start adding sensors, and so they can see what's going to be included in their kit, and they have all the different options, and they can instantly see what that pricing structure comes out to be as they make those selections. So as they go through, the cool thing about this website, which is just mind-blowing for us who do this type of design where we have to have parts manufactured, is that they have built in what their system and their machines are capable of doing. And so if you happen to select something that's not possible, it will give you a warning, and it will give you some suggestions, or at least give you guidance on how you can redesign your part so then they can manufacture it. So that's really cool. As you go through and you select these different things, let's go to the next one. I really like that you can make those decisions right on the fly. And that's what I think would be great, is if we have a couple of options. We won't have nearly as many options as here, but if they select an option where it's like, I want this sensor over that sensor, they can see the pros and cons, or maybe the benefits to that sensor, or maybe what range it works in, or what materials it works in. So they can just make a quick selection. Okay, yes, I am going to be scanning bottles that are clear versus bottles that are opaque, and so I need this sensor instead of that one, and they can instantly see what the pricing does when they make those selections. So a lot of cool things on here that I do like, but this right here, where we have a running total that is real time, giving them feedback based on their selections, and then maybe some sort of figure over here where it shows what they have selected so far, and maybe some of the specifications or the ranges or the applications in which those will work best. Thanks again. Certainly appreciate it.